What costs can I expect when creating a corporation? Creating a corporation is an important step for any business, as it provides a legal framework for the company and offers various benefits. However, there are certain costs associated with creating a corporation that must be taken into account before deciding to incorporate. So, what is a corporation? A corporation is a legal entity that is separate from its owners and is responsible for its own debts and liabilities. A corporation is created by filing formation documents with the state in which it is located. This process grants the corporation certain rights and responsibilities, such as the ability to enter into contracts, own property, and issue stock. What are some costs to expect when creating a corporation? The costs associated with creating a corporation vary depending on the type of business activity of the corporation and the state in which the corporation is located. Generally speaking, the most common cost associated with creating a corporation is the filing fee for the articles of incorporation. This fee is typically a couple $100s, but it can vary depending on the state. You may also pay an additional fee for assistance in filing the formation documents with the state. For example, hiring a business formation company to register your corporation. Additionally, many states require businesses to pay an annual fee in order to maintain their corporate status. Other costs associated with creating a corporation may include the cost of hiring an attorney for more complex corporate formation situations, as well as the cost of obtaining a business license. Additionally, corporations are generally required to hold meetings and create and maintain certain documents, such as minutes of meetings, registers, and company resolutions. Businesses may be required to pay taxes on the income generated by the corporation. This is known as the corporate income tax, and you may need the assistance of an accountant to complete the taxes for your corporation, which is an additional expense. In conclusion, creating a corporation is an important step for any business, as it provides a legal framework for the company and offers various benefits. However, there are certain costs associated with creating a corporation that must be taken into account before deciding to incorporate.